For me, I mean, SICSIC meant many different things, but mainly it meant just an opportunity to give back to the university in such a genuine, authentic way.
Just the entire experience has just been the best experience. Like, it's hard to pinpoint one specific moment that's been the best about being in SICSIC, but it's just building those relationships, building those connections.
For SICSIC, our whole mission is to spread goodwill and spirit among students and faculty, and I think that is timeless.
It honestly feels great because one thing we stress with the group is the next two that we pick, or the next two to replace the seniors, that they can carry on this legacy.
Trying to make someone's day better, put a smile on their face, make them love BGSU just as much as you love BGSU. I think that's why SICSIC is still relevant today, still important, and will still be important 73 years from now.
I think coming in, I was afraid this atmosphere of this institution, I wasn't gonna find my home. And I think I found my home with SICSIC. And it's such an important thing to the university that has just meant so much to me that I've had the opportunity to carry on that legacy.
For me, I think the best part about being in SICSIC was not only the relationships we established with students on campus and faculty members,
building those relationships with the active members, building those relationships with the alumni.
And I can continue to come back year after year, and that'll forever connect me to BGSU, and that's something that I really love about this group.
It's like the mask is symbolic. The mask is it hides the person so you don't know who they are, but you can still have that impact. And it just kind of provides that confidence for anyone on campus to realize that they can have an impact no matter who you are.
Whenever we were out in mask, it wasn't about who we were underneath. It was just about trying to make someone's day brighter, give a smile on their face, and make them feel like BGSU is really their home. But I knew I wanted to leave an impact at BGSU, and so I took a chance with SICSIC. I went out of my comfort zone. It was the best decision I ever made at BGSU.
It's literally the best 3.5 years you'll ever have. I mean, you literally find your home, you find your people, and you find your family, and these are relationships that you'll have for the rest of your life.
So whether it's SICSIC or another organization, I just encourage you to go out of your comfort zone, do the things that scare you, because that's when you're going to grow the most, and that's what will forever connect you with BGSU.